यार सबसे पहले तो मैं एक दफ़ा और शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा आप लोगों के, आप लोग आए, और दिवाली की शुभकामनाएं आप सब के लिए हमारी तरफ से, हमारी पूरी टीम की तरफ से। यहाँ पर विक्टर मौजूद हैं जो लेखक हैं इस फिल्म के और डायरेक्टर हैं, अभिषेक और मैं, और इसके अलावा शुदीप और सुमीत यहाँ पर हैं। शुदीप जो हैं वो कैमरामैन है इस फिल्म के, डीओपी। कम शुदीप, बहुत ही बेहतरीन काम किया इन्होंने। एंड वे सुमीत दा, फिल्म जो बनाई है वो विक्टर जी ने लिखी है और विक्टर ने डायरेक्ट भी की है। बहुत मज़ा आया हम सबको काम करके। और हाँ, पता नहीं गलती से विजय कृष्णाचार्य का नाम कैसे आ गया यार। नहीं, दरअसल इनका ही नाम विजय कृष्णाचार्य है, विक्टर है, हम लोग प्यार से विक्टर बोलते हैं।
Answered the question in your question. He's still ACP Jay Dikshit. We'll ask Amir to help us to get him promoted. But nahi, third film he's still an ACP.
मुझे पकड़ने के बाद जरूर डीसीपी बन जाएंगे। मेहनत तो बहुत करनी पड़ी क्योंकि आई एम प्लेइंग ए जिमनास्ट, तो उसके लिए एक किस्म की फिजिक चाहिए और सर्कस की थोड़ी बहुत ट्रेनिंग थी। तो इट वाज हार्ड वर्क, आई हैव टू एडमिट इट वाज हार्ड वर्क। और काफ़ी 1-2 साल तक मुझे बहुत ही स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट पे रहना पड़ा ट्रेनिंग के बारे में। मैं एक चीज़ कहना चाहूँगा, जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट सुनी पहली दफ़ा तो मैं आई वाज रियली एक्साइटेड। और मैंने धूम 2 नहीं देखी है, लेकिन मैंने धूम 1 देखी थी, मुझे बेहद पसंद आई थी। आई रियली एंजॉयड इट, आई रियली फेल्ट एंटरटेन्ड। समहाउ आई मिस्ड धूम 2, बट जब विक्टर ने मुझे कहानी सुनाई धूम 3 की, तो आई वॉज रियली अमेज्ड कि किस तरह से धूम फ्रेंचाइज में भी एक जज्बात लाए हैं और इतने अच्छी तरह से लाए हैं। और जज्बात भी आए हैं, इमोशंस आए हैं, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ जो उसका थ्रिल है वो बरकरार रहा है। सो आई रियली hope I have creative differences in every film that I do, but nothing major. I think that Yashraj is a great production house. I'm really enjoying working with them, and they are very passionate about the films they do. They know the business really well. They know marketing really well. They know everything really well. So it's a great experience working with Adi and his entire team.
Now, because of the Chennai Express thing, what do you have to say? What do you think of the entire?
Well, Salman is a dear friend, and I think anything that he does will only be something which will help us. And what's the second part of the question? The pressure of. No, I'm not looking at records really. I don't think any of us are looking at records. I think what is really important for us is कि जो फिल्म हमने बनाई है वो लोगों को पसंद आए, और वो वाकई उनको एक बड़ी एंटरटेनमेंट फिल्म से वो एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, उससे कहीं ज़्यादा उनको मिले और उनको पूरा सेटिस्फैक्शन मिले। ये हम चाहते हैं, मैं आंकड़ों में नहीं जानता।
Abhishek,
उसी सवाल से
you work. I'm sorry, can I just?
Yeah, please.
Abhishek, you work now with after John, Pratik, and now Amir.
I think like Amir said a while ago, this is the first time we brought a certain edge to Dhoom, as you can probably see in the trailer. Dhoom 3 has got a bit more emotion than the Dhoom franchise is used to. It's a bit edgier. I've had fun catching all three actually. So it's been a challenge. I think Dhoom 1 was made with a different goal in mind. It was, 3 young guys, a young director, a young writer. We were young then, Victor. We set off. Nobody actually thought when we were making Dhoom 1 that it would turn into this huge franchise. And then we came with Dhoom 2, where we needed a larger challenge. And Dhoom 3, the only brief was make it bigger and better. I think we've achieved that. I can't say which one was more difficult to catch. I think they're all different circumstances. So they're all very different. The 3 villains have always been very different from each other. There's no similarity between them. And I really think Amir this time has pushed the envelope. beyond what even we thought was possible. And full credit for him for doing that. I think he's done a brilliant job. I said it before we started shooting. I think he's done brilliant, memorable films. I think this will be his biggest and most.
टफ हुआ होगा ना, हड्डी वड्डी तो नहीं टूटी?
अच्छा, हड्डी वड्डी नहीं, हड्डी मेरी नहीं टूटी। स्टंट्स देखिए, आई होप कि आप लोगों को अच्छे लगे और मुझे लगता है अच्छे आए हैं। और जो हमारे स्टंट कोऑर्डिनेटर थे, ज़्यादातर जो मेरे स्टंट्स हुए हैं, मेरे चेस सीक्वेंसेस, थ्रिल सीक्वेंसेस सारे शिकागो में हुए। तो वी हैड अ स्टंट पर्सन फ्रॉम LA who did a wonderful job. Conrad did a wonderful job. He and his entire team. But they were very safe in the way they were working. So कोई हड्डी वड्डी नहीं टूटी, I hope.
And the scene in which Katrina has to put her leg on your shoulder. She must have been nervous. How many takes did she have to do?
Actually, Katrina is a fantastic dancer. She is extremely flexible and supple. So I don't think she had a problem. She had absolutely no problem.
आमिर, ये श्वेता ABP न्यूज़
सर्विस में था एक्चुअली, उनको कुछ नहीं प्रॉब्लम।
आमिर साफिया,
हाँ,
साल के आखिर में आ रही है फिल्म।
नहीं यार, मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है। मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं कितनी धूम मचेगी, लेकिन हम लोग चाह रहे हैं कि हम लोग एक बहुत ही कमाल की एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म आप लोगों को दें। यही कोशिश रही है हमारी। धूम कितनी मचेगी तो वो तो पता लगेगा 20 दिसंबर को, जब फिल्म रिलीज होगी। Up till then, fingers crossed.
आपने क्यों चुना विलन बनना, वो भी धूम के साथ? तो जाहिर है कुछ आमिर को इसमें दिखा है। वो पॉइंट क्या है जो
मुझे कहानी बहुत पसंद है, मुझे बेहद पसंद आई कहानी। और it's something that really touched me, excited me in every way. और धूम में मैं एक्चुअली क्लैरिफाई कर, because I don't want people to have the wrong impression. जो आमतौर पे जो हिंदी फिल्मों के विलन होते हैं, उस किस्म का विलन होता नहीं धूम में। Except I think in Dhoom 1 he was more conventional black and white villain. But so I don't want people to feel कि कुछ मैं villain का रोल कर रहा हूँ जो एकदम black है या जो बहुत बुरे काम करता है, उस किस्म का villain नहीं है। But I did the film because I really loved the role and I was looking forward to the opportunity of working with Abhishek and Uday. And I must say it was a great experience. दोनों के साथ काम करके बेहद मजा आया। और दोनों के लिए मैंने एक नाम भी रखा है, याजूद माजूद।
ये क्या है?
आप लोग जानते हैं याजूद माजूद क्या है? नहीं जानते। मेरी अम्मी मुझे बताती थी जब मैं छोटा था कि 2 फरिश्ते होते हैं जो आपके कंधों पे बैठे रहते हैं। जब भी आप कोई गलत काम करने जा रहे हैं तो एक फरिश्ता बोलता है मत करो यार, ये गलत काम है, ठीक नहीं, मत करो। दूसरा बोलता है कर लो यार, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, एक ही जिंदगी, एक जो करना है कर लो। तो दोनों याजूद माजूद लगे मुझे, उदय और अभिषेक। उदय जो है वो सीधा है, फिल्म के अंदर टेढ़ा है वो, फिल्म के अंदर टेढ़ा है, और जय दीक्षित सीधा है, लेकिन रियल लाइफ में एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट। उदय सीधा है और ये टेढ़ा है, तो याजूद माजूद। दिमागी तौर पे तो हमेशा विलन परेशान करता है, लेकिन इस बार जज्बाती तौर पे भी परेशान किया हुआ।
वो तो है जी। देखिए, मैंने पहले भी आपसे कहा था कि Dhoom is not a conventional, Dhoom 3 is not a conventional cops and robbers. हमारी धूम में जितने भी नेगेटिव वाले होते हैं वो ज़्यादा है नहीं हमारी फिल्मों में। अगर आप धूम 2 देखें तो ऋतिक had a very good reason for doing what he was doing. धूम 3 में भी जैसे आपने ने कहा जज्बात काफ़ी हैं। जय दीक्षित एक पुलिस अफसर है and his job is to catch the thief. वो जज्बात में पड़ते नहीं हैं, but his job is very clear. किसी ने कुछ बुरा किया है, मैंने उन्हें पकड़ना है, and that's his only focus. और वो ज़्यादा उनको हिलाना बहुत मुश्किल है. He's a very dedicated, strong and very perseverant. हाँ, perseverance is one of his traits. और मैं तो ये नहीं कह पाऊँगा कि आमिर ने इस फिल्म में मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा तंग किया in the film. Apart from that, working on the film was a dream. I mean, मुझे याद है कि जब हम फिल्म की शूट शुरू करने वाले थे और आप लोग शायद मुंबई में आप लोग ने पहला शेड्यूल किया था, मैं सेट पे गया था, and it was a wonder to see this brilliant man at work. And when you see the film, you'll just realize what a fantastic job he's done. And every day, Rose set papers बैठ के उन्हें देखना, you get to learn so much. And his humility is his greatest asset as an actor. जो आदमी हम सब के साथ बैठ के हमें पूछे कि आपको क्या लगता है, मैं ये कैसे करूं? I think that's a great quality, and I hope I can learn from that and imbibe that.
Also,
It's a bit of a tradition actually, क्योंकि धूम 1 जब हम बना रहे थे, धूम 1 का जो पहला थिएट्रिकल प्रोमो निकला था, यश अंकल ने खास डैड को फिल्म सिटी बुलाया था. Then there was the ad labs in Film City, and he was the first person to see the trailer. And the same thing was done with Dhoom 2. So I think since Yash uncle is not with us anymore, Adi is keeping the tradition alive.
I think it's wonderful. I mean, though we had made the program for India and Indians, I mean, I had not expected people outside of India to actually even take notice of the program. But we were very happy to have our work recognized. So, well, Jackie is a close friend of mine. I really love him. He's a great guy. In the movie, and he's fantastic. Oh, in the movie. Yeah. Sorry, I didn't read the question properly. In the film, we should tell you all this. यार, ये सब बोलना नहीं चाहिए ना. हाँ, आप फिल्म देखो यार. Check the film यार. ये सब मैं बताऊंगा नहीं अभी यार. मैं कम से कम बताना चाह रहा हूँ. Because I want you to enjoy the film. I want you to enjoy the film. I just want to tell you this much that what Victor narrated to me, I loved. And then what he has made is, I think, what he had in his mind, what was on paper, he's managed to bring it out really well on screen. So I think all of us are really happy with the way the film is turned out.
आमिर, धूम के साथ धुन भी आती है आपके राइट में स्पीकर के पास. आलोक.
हाँ.
तो ये जो धुन है टिपिकल धूम फिल्म की,
बहुत कमाल की.
तो ये कितनी डिफरेंट होने वाली है 3 में? मतलब
नहीं, आई होप डिफरेंट नहीं होगी यार. आप क्यों चीज कर मानेंगे?
तो उसमें बीट्स वगैरह एक्स्ट्रा डलती हैं तो
नहीं, उसका अलग हर दफा अलग अंदाज में आती है, but definitely the tune itself, the core tune should be the same because that's the tune that we identify with. हमको मजा आता है जैसी वो ट्यून आती है. You know, your blood starts racing. I think my favorite villain was Pran Saab because when he used to come on screen, I used to get really frightened. हम लोग डर जाते. And he was one person who I think was, you know, is the ultimate villain. And then there have been some amazing actors that India has seen as villains. Amrish ji, Prem Chopra ji, Manmohan, Madan Puri, Gabbar Singh, so some amazing villains.
क्योंकि इस शूटिंग के दौरान जब हम लोग शिकागो में थे, आराध्या come with Aishwarya to Chicago, and Amir one evening came and spent an evening with her, and she was very pally with him. She liked him very much. So I don't think she'll do anything of the sort. And once you see the film, जैसे कि आमिर ने कहा, he's not the quintessential villain. He has a very wonderful reason for doing what he does, and there is a justification. So I wouldn't call Amir the villain.
Well, I think for me every film is a challenge. So I think in this film again, the performance that was asked of me was a big challenge. It's a tough role, and as I said, I was looking forward to working with Abhishek and with Uday. I had not worked with them earlier. Katrina, I had never worked with Katrina earlier, so I was looking forward to working with her. And I must say we had a great time.
I must tell you actually a small. मैं बोल दूँ? Sorry. I'm dying to say this. It's a very high point in any actor's career when suddenly your phone rings and you pick it up and it says Amir Khan on it. And I remember Amir called me and he said, "Yeah, I just heard the script. It's superb. We'll have a great time." I said, "Yeah, we will." He didn't know I had not heard the script. "You have a very good role, huh?" I said, "Thanks." अभी मैं उनको कैसे बताऊं कि I have not heard the script. मुझे पता भी नहीं मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ पिक्चर में. So I said, "Yeah, हम लोग ये करेंगे." And he went into a discussion about my character. I had no clue what he was talking about. And I think this is the first time I'm telling you about this.
Yeah,
so I managed to, pull this through with him. But it was so wonderful for Amir just to call, and shows his enthusiasm for what he does. Uday and I are very junior in front of him, and it was purely our pleasure to work with him. But the fact that he was more excited to work with the whole team and with Victor and Katrina and Uday and myself, it was just, it's so wonderful when you get to work with people who don't only teach you, you know, how to improve yourself as an actor, but to show you the kind of enthusiasm. He's like a child on set. You know, he's so inquisitive and he's always playing some prank or he wants to play a game and he's always discussing, and you pack up and we go rehearse, and it's just a wonderful atmosphere that he creates. I'll never forget that, because the first time he called me, I was shooting in New Zealand, I remember. And for a matter of fact, Adi had also not told me that we're making Dhoom 3. So Amir had called me and said, super, I didn't know we're making Dhoom 3. Adi had not even told me कि भैया ये बना रहे हैं. And he said, we must meet and we must discuss. So मैंने कहा कि हाँ जी, मैं न्यूजीलैंड में हूँ, मैं लौट के आपसे मिलता हूँ. And I had no idea कि ये picture बनने वाली है, who's doing what is happening. But even before we heard the script started, even our rehearsals, he was so excited and he's maintained that throughout. So it's just an absolute pleasure to be on set with him and learn from him. It's great fun.